What are the 5 different ways through which you can learn programming and to become a software developer is what we'll be learning in today's video. So hey everyone, my name is Sujal and today I'll be talking about what are the 5 different ways through which you can learn programming in 2021. So let's get started. A lot of people facing problem of knowing from where to start from. This is the biggest problem a lot of people they have. They don't know from where to start from, what resources to use and what to do next. So that's why I thought to make this video. So please make sure hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I can get motivated to make more videos for you guys. Now let's talk about the various resources to learn programming. Number 1 is documentation. I think you people might be thinking about why I am giving number 1 to documentation and why I am saying that documentation is the best way to learn programming. Well, according to me, this is the best way to learn programming. Why I am saying this? Because as we know that our education system teaches us to learn or to read books to qualify in exams and to write in exams, right? So this process of reading book is familiar from our childhood till now. So with this reference, what I mean to say is, while reading documentation, you will not find a huge problem of understanding. Got it? That I'm not saying that you will never face a problem. You will definitely face a problem. But what you have to do on that situation is, as we know, like there are huge number of online resources are available on the internet. So at that time, you have to use those resources to clear your doubts. So wherever you got stuck in any topic of programming like DSA, algorithms, got it? So go on that resources which you have chosen and type your doubt, then definitely you will get a result. Then this cycle you have to follow to become a good programmer, and mind it, nobody can stop you to become a good developer just by following this cycle. There are a lot of documentations present on the internet. So few of them are: number 1, Docker, Rust, DigitalOcean, and tons of other documentations are present. Number 2 is from online platforms. So with this, what I mean to say that there are tons of online platforms available on the internet. But the fact is that you have to analyze that which platform suits you or which platform is better for learning programming, right? So there are few online platforms like Udemy, Udacity, Codeforce, Coursera, and tons of other platforms out there. The best part about these platforms are that they provides us the structured or a comprehensive course which are really a fantastic, and you can't like compare those courses with money. Those courses are really a priceless. And the other best part about these platforms are that you will get the best mentor on those courses. Definitely you will get those best mentor on those courses. Let me tell you one thing, that when I purchased a course of JavaScript from beginner to advanced, I got one of the best enthusiastic mentor. They taught me a best lesson on JavaScript, and definitely it was worth it, and I will recommend you to go and purchase a best playlist or a best course from those platforms. I'm not forcing you to go and purchase it. It is just my recommendation, because at the end you gonna study from any of these platforms. मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप लोग को किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्स को परचेज करना हो तो आप मेक श्योर हो कि आप पूरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के बारे में जान जाए, रिसर्च कर ले, तभी आप मतलब लास्ट में जाकर आप प्लीज़ एक कोर्स को लें और किसी की बात को ना सुने, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग काफ़ी बातें बोलते हैं. तो मेक श्योर दैट यू रिसर्च अबाउट ऑल दिस प्लेटफॉर्म्स बिफोर परचेजिंग एनी पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. द थर्ड वन इज यूट्यूब. As we know that YouTube is a huge platform and it provides us the free content that for everyone, and as we know that we love free things, and YouTube provides us free things, free contents. So YouTube has a great content, no doubt, but the thing is that YouTube does not have a structured or a sequence or a comprehensive course which tells us that what you have to do in step first, step second, step third, and it does not gives a proper roadmap so that we can follow to achieve any particular programming language or to particular programming skills. So the beginners are highly recommended that they should check the online platforms like Udemy, Udacity, as I already discussed on number 2, that is online platforms topic. So I highly recommend those beginners who really want to learn programming, then they have to check the online platforms, not on YouTube. Otherwise you can go with YouTube. I'm not the one who can stop you, who will stop you. So guys, I want to share my experience with this YouTube is that while learning web development, especially front-end development, when I went to YouTube and searched for a particular topic, that is front-end development, I found a bunch of courses available on the YouTube. But the fact is that they are not in a structured or a sequence wise. So I learned HTML and CSS from YouTube only, and when the time comes from JavaScript, I directly went to Udemy and purchased a particular topic, particular course for JavaScript, and at the end I learned JavaScript from there. So at the end, what I will suggest you that if you want to learn HTML and CSS, then definitely you learn from YouTube only. No need to pay any bucks to any other platforms. Okay, then if you want to learn JavaScript more depthly, then you can spend bucks on other platforms. 4 is online sites. There are huge number of online sites available on the internet, and some of them are Gigs for Gigs, Coursera, W3 School, FreeCodeCamp, and many other platforms. These platforms are also provided you with the better facility to learn programming. These online sites are also have their courses in a sequence or a structured wise, that you will never find a difficulty to learn programming while learning from these platforms. And one best thing is they also provide the online IDE through which you can execute your program. So these platforms can also be considered to learn programming effectively. Number 5 is offline coachings. I think you people might be thinking about that why I gave number 5 to offline coachings, right? So I would say that offline coachings are also a good platform to learn programming, because there are a lot of factors to choose offline coachings. Like you can directly contact with your mentor while in coaching, and you can ask a doubt freely. So if you think that you are not getting anything from learning from online platforms, then you may consider these platforms as well, because these platforms are also considered as a good programming learning platforms. Thank you. So I think you people got the idea of learning programming by using different resources. So this is for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, then you can see my Instagram handle. So if you guys love this video, then make sure you hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents. And share this video as much as you can, and let me know by writing in the comment section that which resources you gonna use to learn programming. So have a nice day.